Okay, hello everyone. So, this is day 3, and as promised, apart from whatever deals and things are keeping me busy, I have to make sure that this video comes out. So, of what has been my day's experience. So, now the day was filled with events which were not good, or you can just call it one event which was not good. Uh, it seemed to be presently. Maybe I am hoping that this is definitely going to give me some kind of advantage and something good is shaping. So, when some construction is being done, you might have observed or seen that when some new flyover construction is done on a route which was, normal uh, before the construction started, you encounter a lot of problems, jams, and bad roads and everything. But once the flyover is constructed, so it's not only that you get good roads, smooth roads, but you also reach to your destination or your uh, point wherever you want to reach very quickly and smoothly, hassle free. So so I am also you know hoping that and very positively hoping that things are going to be great. The future has something good for me, and it is waiting to unfold things to me the moment I arrive there. The only thing I need to do now is to wait patiently, and with a principle or the mantra or with the saying that this too shall pass. Okay, so this too shall pass. Something really unpleasant has happened, something which will disturb my day to day events. So at times, something of this uh, something is created or it happens wherein you cannot control. It is completely unexpected. Also, I learned today that if something unexpected happens, how one should react so that you don't make fool out of yourself first. Secondly, you got to control yourself, because losing yourself in front of everyone and also for yourself is not going to get any benefits. Things are not going to reverse just because your reaction is not, or you don't feel that whatever has happened was not is not justified, or it should not have happened. So first, this too shall pass first, and secondly, if something unexpected has happened, you have to hold on, accept it, accept the present. Okay, it has happened, it was supposed to happen, it has come to you, take it. Okay, take it, no problem. Because if you will not take it, you will be forced to take it. So it's better to take it, because forceful things are more painful. So it's better to take it and just wait for things to pass. So this is what I have to say for today. If you have something to add on to this, what would you do if something unexpected happens to you? Like you were expecting some great deal to crack and they overturn it completely, flip side. Or you were actually hoping for a promotion or some increment kind of thing, and your HR tells you that your services are no more required in the organization. Or you were hoping that some kind of marriage proposal was going to get finalized, and things take completely reverse picture. So what would you do? What do you think it should be? I mean, I have given my point. I would really really love to learn something from what you think. Maybe you have better solutions, better options, and I'm sure about it. So help me out with that, and let's get better together. stay connected, let's grow and stay strong. So, okay, bye, all the best. I would really appreciate if you like the videos and follow me, and would welcome all your comments. I would try to reply them, and maybe we can, catch up on some live session very soon. And so let's do it. Okay, bye.